This is Tim here at Birkey's Farm Store in Annawan, Illinois. We have a brand new 2023 H&S Manure spreader. It is a model 3127 heavy-duty spreader. It is a 270 bushel unit. It is made with heavy 5-inch channel frame. The side flares are made of 10 gauge G210 culvert grade galvanized steel. This unit includes the top beater. They are 29-inch beaters on the bottom. It has the poly bonded floor, enclosed 2-speed gearbox, hydraulic end gate. The 540 PTO apron has a low speed of 4.9 revolutions per minute. High speed is 8.9 revolutions per minute, and it also has the front splash guard as seen here. This unit is available now. If you have any questions, please call Birkey's in Annawan, Illinois.